Welcome, my name is Alex, I'm the founder of Leadith. Leadith is an automation software for LinkedIn. It automates the process of connecting you with people, building up your network and getting you some really good top-notch opportunities with decision makers who want to buy and want to use your services. So this is the LinkedIn training kit. Welcome. This is chapter 1. We're going to set up your LinkedIn profile from scratch. So follow me step by step. We'll go through this really easy to do. I'll tell you the benefits as we go along. So here you can see we're over at linkedin.com and you can follow a link to that or just type it in linkedin.com. The main LinkedIn page, basically it's a login page here. If we scroll down, it talks about content. So LinkedIn is a social network for business orientated professionals, and it's also a tool for recruitment. So if you're looking for work or looking for employment opportunities, LinkedIn is a great platform to find that as well. So you can post jobs on LinkedIn, you can connect with people, work colleagues, you can build up a virtual CV using the platform. And it's also a learning platform, so there's a lot of training and courses where you can develop more skills. So how to sign up, go to join now button at the top, enter an email address. So for me, I'm just going to put in give it a password, first name, pop your last name in as well. There we go. That's creating your LinkedIn profile now. There's a quick security validation check just to confirm you are who you are. You may need to go to your emails just to check for a validation code or a link, often to check. So here we go, click on verify, choose the one the most, here we go, proving we're a human. Fantastic, we're good to roll. Yeah, so as I say, if you so for me, I've got an email and it's welcoming me from LinkedIn with a validation link as well. So the first thing we want to know is what country or region are we, postcode. So you can type in your postcode there and you can choose the specific LinkedIn area. So for me down here, I'm in DT1 2EE, and I can choose, it automatically chooses for me my my correct county. Most recent job title, so we can type in what your most recent job title is. So I can type founder. And what is your current employment type? Self-employed. I'm not a student. Click continue. Okay, so they've sent an email and we just need to get that special code from the email and then paste it in here. It's a 6-digit PIN verification number. Mine says the code is not quite right. Let me just double check it. It's definitely correct. That's the only code I've received, so but it doesn't think it's quite right. So I'm going to type it in by hand. 368780. We'll try it again. No, it really doesn't like me, so we'll send another one. Let's see if the new one works. 979117. Didn't like that one. I've actually been sent another one as well. I must be a code behind. Here we go. This one should work. Yep. What are we up to? Are we actively looking for a job? Are we not looking for a job but would consider the right opportunity, or are we not interested in any kind of job opportunity? So choose the right option there. Again, welcome. Put in your current location. Next. Add your contacts. So what this is trying to do is connect with your address book. It can also store all your contacts, so it's like a built-in address book, LinkedIn, all your connections. We're going to skip that and just go to skip because we're not going to import all our contacts. But if you're starting with 0 contacts, it's really good to connect to your address book and try and import in all those possible connections because they're really going to help you kickstart this LinkedIn profile. First screen we got here is connecting with lots of people, so you might know one or two of those people. Some of them might be companies even. I'm going to just choose skip for now. I'm not going to connect with anyone. And we get presented with a screen where we can add our photo. So I'm not going to use my photo at all. I'm just going to skip. Okay, it wants us to download the LinkedIn app. So as with any good bit of software, native apps are available on Android and iOS for Apple. So download the app. It makes using the LinkedIn tool really easy. If you've got the app, you get the alerts on your phone. I'm just going to skip that. And here we go. We've got some recommendations that come up. Companies that we should start following maybe, based on the industry that we can type. We can refine this data later. So I'm going to click finish, and that takes us to an empty LinkedIn profile. The first screen that comes up is the dashboard. Messages have popped up, so this is where messages would appear from other LinkedIn connections. We can close that, minimize that down, and have a look around the dashboard and see what's going on.